Hi Rohit, you have seen Rishabh Pant up close for a very long time now. Would you say this knock of his is his best that you have seen because he displayed both the defensive and attacking gameplay?
Yeah, in my opinion, yes. It was probably one of his finest knock. And it came under pressure as well. We weren't in the good position, when he came to bat. And we saw few sides of Rishabh Pant's knock today. He was quite cautious at the beginning, and then he was then he actually flourished the way we know Rishabh Pant, and he batted like that. And put the team into a good position. That was more important. When we came inside, when they came inside the tea break, we said the message was to both the guys, Washington and Rishabh, that first we need to get to the lead, need to get to the score, and then try and press from there. And then he played his natural game, which is absolutely fine. And a lot of credit and a lot of courage he showed in the middle, which is fantastic.
Anshul Gupta.
Hi Rohit.
Hi.
How was the pitch playing when in the first session we lost 3 wickets and when Rishabh came into bat 84 for you were 84 for, so what was the game plan and what you talked about in the middle?
Um, the pitch was fine, absolutely good to bat on. There was some help for the bowlers, seamers, and the spinners. Um, and we know that early on there's a lot of moisture on the pitch. We need to get through that 40-45 minutes at the beginning. And we did that pretty well actually. Unfortunately we lost Pujara at the time, but I think we played that spell of Anderson and Stokes pretty well. Yes, of course, they bowled in good areas, got some wickets as well. But it was important for us, to make sure that we assess the pitch and then, try and build partnership, because it's the first inning totals of theirs was a very small total, so we needed to get to the total of theirs first. So it was important. And Test cricket we have seen many a times. There will be times where you will be tested, you will be challenged as a batsman, and we accepted that. We knew there was something on offer for the bowlers. It was important for us at that point not to lose too many wickets. Unfortunately, yes, like I said, we lost few wickets, but again we knew, we are in the game if we keep batting as long as possible. And then again, after tea, when Rishabh was set, he took on the bowlers, he took his chances, it came off. And that is something that we need that spark in the middle, and he brings that to us. He plays his game, he understands his game really well now. And you got to give credit to Washington as well. The way he batted, showed a lot of respect, was very tight in his technique as well. And then when there was loose balls, he put them away. It was a fantastic partnership from them.
Kushen Sarkar.
Hi Rohit.
Louder, louder, Kushan.
Yeah, hi. Yeah. My question is, when you saw Jack Leach bowling in the first 2 sessions, you also played Jack Leach. He was bowling onto the rough and was bowling over the wicket. And suddenly, the last session, he came round the wicket. And very surprised that they were using the rough and the way they were bowling in the first 2 sessions, Jack Leach especially, he changed his track, and that also helped a bit when Rishabh and Washington were batting.
Yeah, see, I mean, when he's bowling to the right-handers, he's obviously going to come over the wicket and try and hit the stump area and try and see if he can get some turn from the stumps, which is slightly been the talk in the last three Test match. When you bowl on the stumps, you never know what's going to happen, whether it's going to take turn or whether it's just going to come straight on and hit the pads. And that is what he was trying to do in the first couple of sessions when the right-handers were batting. And obviously, when the two left-handers came, he was trying to use the rough, which is absolutely fine. Bowlers will obviously try and extract something from the pitch. There was a little bit of turn on offer as well, but I thought we negotiated that pretty well. Both the left-handers, they had very attacking mindset, looking to score kind of a run mindset, which is very, very important when you're playing on a pitch like that. And when you're on a back foot as well, we were actually, to be honest, on back foot when we lost wickets. But like I mentioned earlier as well, the partnership between Pant and Washi was so important from the team's perspective to get us to where we wanted, put us in the driver's seat, get as many lead as possible. Right now, I think it's 90 odd run lead, which is fantastic. And I just hope Akshar and both Washi can carry the same intent tomorrow as well and put us in a good position.
अमित गुप्ता.
रोहित मॉर्निंग सेशन में एंडरसन और स्टोक्स काफी अच्छी बॉल डाल रहे थे, तो उनका क्या प्लान था और कैसे काउंटर किया आप लोगों ने? वो क्या कर रहे थे और आपने वो काउंटर करने के लिए क्या किया?
हाँ बिल्कुल, एंडरसन और स्टोक्स, मैंने जैसे बताया कि मॉइस्चर था पिच पे, तो वो लोग को उनको पता था कि मॉइस्चर है पिच पे, हमको अच्छे एरियाज़ में बॉल डालना है, और थोड़ा सा हेल्प हो रहा था बॉलर्स को, स्विंग हो रहा था बॉल, और थोड़ा सा बॉल सीम भी हो रहा था। तो हमारे लिए ज़रूरी था, ख़ास करके मेरा जो प्लान था ये था कि ये जो आधा पौना घंटा है उसके बाद हम व्हेन स्पिनर कम ऑन टू बॉल, वी जस्ट हैव टू वेट फॉर द लूज बॉल, ट्राई एंड बी पेशेंट। ये प्लानिंग था हमारा, ख़ास करके मेरा तो प्लान सिंपल था। बाहर का बॉल मुझे थोड़ा सा रिस्पेक्ट देना है, छोड़ना है, क्योंकि कुछ ना कुछ ऑफ स्टम्प के बाहर से बॉल कर रहा था और स्विंग भी कर रहा था। तो यही बात हो रहा था। जो भी बैट्समैन के साथ मैं बैटिंग कर रहा था, पुजारा पहले खेल रहे थे मेरे साथ, तो उनको भी मैंने यही बताया कि बॉल थोड़ा सा सीम हो रहा है, इनिशियली आधा पौना घंटा हमें थोड़ा ढंग से खेलना पड़ेगा। उसके बाद पुजारा आउट हो गए, विराट आया। विराट भी हमने यही डिस्कस किया था कि पिच पे कुछ हो रहा है, ऐसा नहीं है फ्लैट पिच है, कुछ ना कुछ हेल्प हो रहा है सीमर को। और आपने देखा ही उनका जो विकेट गया वो काफ़ी बॉल किक कर गया वहाँ से स्टोक्स का। तो वो दोनों जन अच्छे रिदम में बॉल डाल रहे थे, पार्टनरशिप में बॉल डाल रहे थे। तो मेरे लिए ज़रूरी था कि मैंने भी देखा मेरे सामने 2 विकेट गिर गए थे पुजारा और विराट का, तो मेरे लिए ज़रूरी था कि एक एंड से मुझे बैटिंग करना है और दूसरे एंड से पंत बैटिंग कर रहे थे मेरे साथ, और अज्जू आए। अज्जू ने भी फटाफट 20-30 रन का नॉक खेला। वो हमारे लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट था। इस पिच पे ये छोटे छोटे नॉक्स काफ़ी इम्पॉर्टेंट होते। और बाद में हम सब ने देखा कि ऋषभ और वॉशिंगटन ने कैसे बैटिंग किया और हमारी टीम को अच्छे पोजीशन में ला के रखा।
We'll take last few questions now. R. Kaushik.
Morning, thanks. My question is answered.
Alright. Karthik Krishnaswamy.
Hi, Rohit.
Hi.
Yeah. We've seen, not just in this innings, but even in Australia, that Pant, he seems to be trusting his defense a lot more now, right? Like when he comes in, he's prepared to take his time. Was there any point where, the team management kind of sat down and told him, look, you can defend as well, you've got that game as well. So, can you talk about that a little bit?
Yeah, of course. I mean, Pant has his own style of batting. Of course, there have been messages from the team management as to how he needs to approach his inning. But, he seems to be batting in his own style, which is absolutely fine from our perspective as well, from the team's perspective, because he seems to be getting the job done at the end of the day, which is more important. And you saw in this inning as well, like in the first half of his inning, he was quite respectful. He was trusting his defense, like you said. Yes, absolutely. And then once we got to 200, he just wanted to take on the bowlers, which is absolutely fine. And you need those kind of players in your team where people are not afraid to take on the bowlers, and when there are chances, you just grab them with both hands. We saw at the start, there are some, you should have mix of players in your squad. There are a few guys in the team who would play respectfully, and then you need somebody who are courageous and are willing to take chances as well, because cricket right now, the way it is played, it's completely different from what it used to be played back in the day. So I feel you know, you need to take those chances and you need to be courageous. And Pant seems to be that, you know, which is absolutely fine by the team management. As long as he gets the job done for us, you know, all of us are happy. But there are times where he will play shots and he'll get out. But I don't want anyone to get upset with that, because he's a kind of player who will play an inning like that and get the team from a situation where we were on back foot, and then suddenly, you know, within the span of 1 hour, your team looks completely different. We have a 50-60 run of a lead on that kind of a pitch. So people like Pant, you know, you need to back their skills, back their ability as to how they bat. So the management completely understands that, and they are willing to take those chances with him. And of course, he's been given that freedom as well, which is very, very important from my perspective. I completely understand from the batsman's point of view, when you have your team management, your captain and coach behind you, how important it is, how important of a feeling is that to have as a player. And Pant seems to have that now with all of them, which is a great sign, you know. And he will flourish. He'll give you those kind of knocks every now and then. But I don't want anyone to get disappointed or start making opinions about how he got out playing a bad shot, because he's the kind of guy who will play shots. He will get out. But at the end of the day, you know, we need those kind of guys who can take those chances and at times bring the team into a position where nobody were expecting us to go past that lead as well at one point. But now look at where we stand at the end of the day, and we saw that in Australia as well. So, you know, he needs to be given that freedom, and he seems to be going in a different direction as well, which is absolutely fine. We completely like that from him.
Final one for the day now. Devendra Pandey.
रोहित ने आंसर दे दिया कुछ. Thank you.
Yes, Sandeep Sarkar.
Yeah, hi Rohit. Sandeep here from APP Ananda Kolkata.
Hi.
Yeah, Rohit, do you feel that Rishabh is ready to fulfill the void created after Mahendra Singh Dhoni's retirement?
Sorry, say again.
Is Rishabh ready to fill the void created by MS Dhoni after his retirement?
Yeah.
I mean, he seems to be doing the job for us, so he's more than ready, I guess.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you, everyone.